If you can maintain your Duolingo streak, you can literally build a career in a cloud computing. Google Skills just gamify their tech training with leagues and streaks. And it's actually working to help people finish their certificates and get hired. And the good news is that you may access this Google Skills training for free. In this video, I will share with you my 21-day streak Google Skills training. Let's go. You can access Google Skills through skills.google.com. I am now in the homepage. Sign in with my account. As you can see, I have credits expiring. This is the dashboard. As you can see there are a lot of things, but later on I will come back to that. Let's proceed to catalog. And here, explore training your way. And there's some menu here, the credentials, skill badge, completion badge, the format, course, lab, learning path, and the level, introductory, intermediate, advanced. You can choose also language and the duration. Let's click the path. There are some choices here. You want the AI/ML, course, agent, data, dev tools, infrastructure, productivity, and security, and some choices here. Let's check collections. Under collections, AI Boost Bytes, career certificates, cloud DeepMind, and subscriptions. There are 3 tiers here: no cost, starter, and 11 million courses and labs completed annually. If you want to learn more, click this. And for Pro, $29 per month, and 11 million courses and labs completed annually. And for career certificates, $49 per month, and over 1 million graduates. It's up to you to choose. There are free courses here. That's much better. For the starter, you can try it, and if you enjoy it and you see the opportunity ahead, then you may proceed accordingly. That's all up to you. And organization, future-proof your workforce, and discover no-cost and premium learning services. AI learning is better for business. According to these statistics, organizations using the platform say that Google Skills helps them stay ahead in the face of AI, 79%. And 73% technical learners say Google Skills allows their org to achieve major business objectives more efficiently. Let's go back to dashboard. And this one is the course that I am taking. I am on quiz now, Generative AI Leader Certification. Then this is my strict 21 days, and these are the days from Tuesday to Monday. And here the activities and the paths and achievement. See here, I have completed 50 courses already and 20 days. Let's check what will happen if I claim it. Let's claim it. Claim. Okay, so 50 courses, 100% completed. Claim. Oh, wow. Okay, earn today. It's gone. Then 20 days. Claim. Okay, earn 525. Right, then it's coming 25 days and 5 parts. Almost there. Then the progress is in here, and these are the ongoing courses that I am taking. 87% and 70% completed. This is the one that I'm talking about, the League and Strict Gamified Learning. And so my rank now, it's a gold league, and here are the rankings. And along the way, I am accumulating the experience points. So I have now 15,076 experience points. That is the current streak count. Let's check this quiz 2. I will click the start. Then it looks like this. Passing score is 80. This is how it looks like when you are doing your quizzes, just in case you want to try it. There is always a quiz after each discussion. Okay, and you have to submit it. If you fail, you can retake it up to 3 times a day. Okay, let's view the credentials. So under credentials, these are the skill badges, certificates, and certifications you have earned. And if you want to share them public, you can set it in the settings. Then if you want to view badges on Credly, you may click this button. And let's check my badges on Credly. Okay, I am on Credly dashboard, and my certificate is displayed here. There are 3 dots here. If you want to make your badge private or public, and you may check all your certificates here. There is an activity snapshot. So the number of badges and the skills, and also shares. Let's go back to Google Skills. So that is the overview of Google Skills training. Thank you for watching.